Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afra and today we're going to learn how to create the top level. Last time we did a project about it, but this time we're going to learn how to actually make the top level. So, you know this part, okay, from line 1 and 2, from line 1 to 6, you know, that, okay? Here we're going to go on. Let's just go on to the button. Open button, TK button root, because it's not window, it's root. You can name it anything else, okay? Anyways, comma text is open top level. That's the button. Then command create top level, which is our function, which is on top of here, over here. Then give the pad y, which is 50. Then with root dot mean. Now let's go on to the function. You know, line 9, define create top level. That's easy. Now from here, top equals the top level root. Now the new window over here is it's not now root. The new window, the name for the new window, right, is top, or you can give it anything else. And then top.title, give the title top level window, give the geometry 640, 430. And then give the color, so background color, which is red. I'll show you how this works. Right, refresh the connection. So here, main window, open this, press this button. We have the top level window, as you guys can see, okay? So, I think that was a really quick video, okay? Oh, I forgot to add about the label. But you know about the label already, right? From 16 and line 16, 17. The label you already know because that was from the basic of GUI. Okay, but today that was a really short video, okay? Thank you everyone. Just feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it and bye.